Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to solve the Instagram message notification problem, so let's get started right away. The very first step you need to take is to make sure your notifications are turned on in the app. Now, open up your Instagram app and go to the bottom right-hand corner where your profile picture is. Then click the three lines in the upper right-hand corner, and then select Settings. Select Notifications. Then make absolutely sure Pause All is turned off in Notifications. Then where it says Messages and Calls, select that and turn all these on. As you can see, message requests, messages, group requests, and video chats, rooms, turn all of them on. But if that doesn't work, we can go into our phone settings and make sure that Instagram notifications are turned on. So, go to your settings, scroll all the way down to Apps. Press on the search bar at the top, type in Instagram, and select it. Once you're at this screen, go ahead and select Permissions. You'd really want to allow all of them. After that, just go to the Play Store and type in Instagram in the top search bar. Now, to the right of Instagram, if it says Open, it means your app is fully up to date. If it says Update, that means you're in need of an update. You need to update your apps to get rid of just about every issue or lag that the previous update could have had. Hopefully, one of these solutions will resolve your issue. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel.